Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell button so YouTube can notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. Next, we're going to be making an indoor or outdoor bell wind chime. First, you spray paint the Christmas bell, the color of your choice. I chose to paint it, spray paint mine black. With the wind chime from Dollar Tree, you're going to remove whatever decorations on top, which for my case it's the hummingbird. The round wire that holds the little metal bells, I pull that up like that in order for it to fit inside my bell. Once you place it and have the chain connected back to it, you can leave it like that, or what I chose to do is add some E6000 so it can stay in place since I want to keep mine outside. Once you're done putting the E6000 or hot glue, you can set that aside, and I'm going to put E6000 on my hummingbird and actually put it on the plant hook. Once that's dry, you can leave it like that, or like I did, I had some extra metal leaves that that come from the garden pits. So what I did was I ended up using them on this project. I just put both of them together, let them dry, and then added them wherever I chose. So I chose to add one up front and to add one at the back where the screws are going to be. E6000 that doesn't have the little adapter, so it can come out thinner, so I ended up using my fingers. Set that aside and let it dry, and while that's drying, I got one of these signs from Valentine's that I still had left over. So I wanted to make something where I could hang it from if I chose to use it indoors. So what I did was make I guess you could say a frame holder for the hooks. I chose to paint it black. And basically this project was with things that I had around the house. And you need to paint this at least 2 times with 2 coats. Because you can still see the L. So you set that aside once you're let it dry, the first coat. And again, I had one of these leftover garden fences, and what I did was remove just one of the arches. And cut it to whatever size you want. I chose to cut it right underneath the little hook parts of this arch, and then I'm going to hot glue an E6000 to the little frame that I made like that. You can see that you can still see the red, so I chose to paint it a second coat. And again, using E6000, just go ahead and put a little bit on each little section that's going to connect to the frame itself. Set that aside and let it dry. I also flipped it over once it was dry a little bit and added some glue. Some hot glue. Once it's all completely dry, I add again some E6000 and hot glue to my actual plant holder. And set that aside and let it dry to the frame itself. I thought about using this in the kitchen. I thought it looked really cute, but I really wanted it for outside, so I chose to use it outside. For this DIY, we're going to be using some of these really cute pictures that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. The first one we're going to use is this flour and mason jars. And basically what I'm going to do is glue flowers to the top of the mason jars. You can use as many flowers as you choose and whatever shade you choose. I had a whole bunch of extra flowers on hand, and luckily I had different shades of pink. So since the picture has different shades of pink, I decided to go ahead and just match them up. And be creative with some of the flowers, just cut certain sections of the flowers that you like and add that to these pictures. That looks really cute as well. I also had some extra raffia, so I decided to make a bow with some of it and glue it to one of the jars. Another cute idea is this picture has a butterfly. You could add one of the butterflies from Dollar Tree and glue that to this picture. That would look really adorable as well in a little girl's room. Or even if you could find four or two of these same pictures and put them side by side, that would look really cute as well. And once you're happy with the amount of flowers and how it looks, the amount of flowers that you've added and how it looks, you're done. And this is how mine looks. The next picture we're going to use is this one with the succulents and a little wooden box. So I decided to go ahead and make the box a 3D as well using popsicle sticks. I just cut the edges and cut them to size that fit the box. And once you're happy with the amount of popsicle sticks and how it fits on your box, you just simply hot glue them to your picture. And you can finish there, just be done with that. Just do the 3D box and it would look really cute. But I had some extra succulents as well. So again, I decided to add a few of them to this picture as well. What ideas have you guys come up with these pictures? I'd love to see some of them. If you have an Instagram, follow me at Violet's DIY Style and tag me on one of your pictures that you've posted. I'd love to see how they look. It's always neat to see, everybody's different ideas and what they use these pictures for. And there's mine. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like. Until next time, be blessed. Bye.